This was a gifted stay. All opinions are my own. I recently took a little solo vacation to the most charming lake cottage in Conneaut Lake, Pennsylvania. This is the Cottage at Conneaut Lake. It's about an hour and a half away from Pittsburgh, but it's also pretty close to Ohio too. And I am just so impressed with every single inch of this Airbnb rental. Before I show you more of the space, I also have to give a shout out to my husband, Sean Novak, for making the awesome music track that accompanies his video. Let's head over to the main bedroom, which has a really cute boho theme to it. Yes, that is the famous Anthropologie headboard. You can actually go to Style Anthropy on Instagram. She has lots of the decor and furniture linked if you are interested in shopping it. Also, I'm not sure how I ended up without any photos or video of the bathroom, but there is a bathroom. It is clean and it is adorable, just as you would expect. This is the next bedroom, which has a beachy mid-century kind of theme to it. It is obviously equally adorable and has thoughtful, minimal details that really give it a relaxing feel. There's also a cute little corner that's perfect for taking Instagram photos in. This is the other bedroom, which has a boho coastal theme to it. I also love this headboard. There's a cute little desk if you need to sit and work, along with two adorable kid-size egg chairs, which are so fun. I really love how the atmosphere of this room came together. Now we'll head back out to the kitchen and the living area. This is a really great space to just sit and relax in. The couch actually doubles as a daybed for sleeping, and there's more comfortable seating options. I am a huge fan of the gallery wall. I love how it came together with the different elements. I think it's one of my favorite aspects of the lake house theme that is all throughout this house. Not only is the open concept floor plan really great for spending time together, but the dining room table feels really welcoming. There are games stored underneath to encourage some family fun, and there is lots of natural light that makes it beautiful, especially in the morning. I'm also a huge fan of the kitchen, specifically the sink. I need it now. This was so practical and easy to use. Also, how cute is this little coffee corner? Now I definitely want to do something like this in my house. Now we're in the basement, which is not quite finished yet, but I was able to get a sneak peek, which I'm so grateful for because this space was just insanely cool to see in person. It has both a cozy and playful vibe to it. I think that this map with it's all of these like little wood cutouts is probably one of the coolest home decor things I have ever seen. This space already looks amazing and inviting, and I can't wait to see what else they do with it. And we've got another perfect spot for Instagram photos. I will of course leave the link to this charming Airbnb in the description. And I hope you'll hit subscribe for more home decor and travel inspiration.